All right, we're out here today at El Yunque National Rainforest. Beautiful spot here in Rio Grande, Puerto Rico. And we're going to see some waterfalls, we're going to see some observation towers, there's some beautiful trails. It's a fantastic spot. It's 28,000 acres and it's managed by the U.S. Forest Service, and they do a great job. And it's going to be a beautiful day in the rainforest for today.
Imagine over 100 waterfalls. That is what you will find at El Yunque Rainforest. Now, imagine that the rainforest has an average annual rainfall of over 120 inches or more.
All right, our first stop today brings us to Coco Fall here in El Yunque Rainforest. It's a beautiful spot, a sheer cliff coming down about 150 feet. It's just an amazing spot. The water's always flowing here, so beautiful. You gotta come check it out. Our second stop brings us to Jocahoo Tower. This is the observation tower. We can go all the way to the top. It's 99 steps to the top, and it gives you beautiful panoramic views all the way to Fajardo, over to the ocean, all over the rainforest. It's amazing. Jocahoo is named after the Indian god, the Taino god of the rainforest. So let's go to the top and check it out. All right, here we are. We're about halfway up the tower. 99 steps to the top, and it was worth it. Follow me. All right, we made it to the top of the tower. Amazing, spectacular views of the rainforest, the ocean. You can see all the way to St. Thomas on a clear day, which is about 40 miles. It's beautiful. All right, our next stop brings us to the trail to De Diego Falls, the famous triple waterfalls. It's beautiful. There's coming down cascading waters. You got rivers running through, and it's a really fun trail. It's one of the easiest trails to see the most in the rainforest. Follow me. We made it to the first waterfall on De Diego Trail. Beautiful. You can swim in the falls. A little chilly, but it's very therapeutic and a beautiful spot. Come on in. All right, we're heading back down the trail on De Diego Falls. Beautiful waterfalls, amazing views, fantastic river, just a beautiful, beautiful environment. Easy trail too. Come on down.
And we make our way to the jewel of El Yunque Rainforest, La Mina Falls. Very interesting sights along the way.
All right, we made it down to La Mina Falls, where the water is 67 degrees, cool and refreshing. You can actually swim in the waterfalls, and there's a cool little spot around here to hang out. Beautiful trails. You gotta come check it out.
We make our way back with memories that last a lifetime.